Hi everyone, my name is Jane and I am making this video because I received my DTF machine and my shaker dryer from Linko in China, and I'm gonna be showing you the package that I have today. Okay, that's my DTF machine, and this is my dryer shaker from Linko. So I'm gonna be installing them today, but I don't know how, so we'll do it together. Okay, so what I did yesterday, I installed the wheels there. So there are 4 of those. So that's what I did, if you can see. And I'm gonna have to install these things, which I don't know how to do it yet. So that's what I'm going to put. And there's more. This one. And lastly, I have this for the rollers. Okay. Sorry, I also forgot that I still have 2 parts here that I need to install. Okay. So firstly, I'm gonna have to install this here. Using this screws that they sent me. There was no instruction really, but I'm gonna have to do it on my own for now because the technician of Linko is still not in the office. So I will try as much as I can to install this because I still have the machine to install later. Okay, so I have the small screws here and the long one. I'm just gonna find the suitable screwdriver. I think this one would be okay. So I just took the screwdriver set out of my car because I think it needs a bigger one. I'll just loosen this up a little bit so I can fit this one here. Okay, I'm so sorry I wasn't able to take a video when I installed the motor, but I'll explain what I did. So on this right side, this is gonna be holding the motor, so I install these bars on both sides and I screw them all. There are 4 screws up and down to hold them up together, and on the other side is the same thing. And if you can see, there are holes. The one is for the bar and the other one is round, and I just inserted them through the holes of the motors and lock them. So this is the lock to make it more stable and secure. And this cord from the motor, I attach it to the powder shaker machine. And so we have this operating system here. This is a top dryer heat, which I'm gonna be setting up to 120 to 130 degree. And on top of this powder shaker machine, this hole here is supposed to be attached to a air purifier, but we have no air purifier yet because we are expecting, or we wanted to attach it to the roof there, so it's gonna be more I don't know, maybe easier for us. And that's what it looks like inside of the powder shaker machine. Okay, so you can take this off when you operate, so you can see the powder shaker, and the film is going to be coming from this side, that's attached to the machine, and then going out of this and then inserted here and then coming out here, and this is where the film is going to be rolled. So it's not going to be messy. This motors on the left side is going to hold the film, and I'm just going to quickly show you my DTF machine, which is a very huge machine. It's a 1.1 meter wide and 100 kilos, around 100 kilos. So I'm gonna need someone to help me unbox this machine, and I'm gonna make another video for that. So please subscribe, like, and share, and also comment. It's gonna help me make more videos like this in the future. So thank you for watching and have a good life. Bye for now.